And the final speaker is Gerard Batten. Gerard.
Thank you, Claude. Madam President, you were very enthusiastic about the European Arrest Warrant, as is our chairman, Mr Moraes, but you touched on the issue of proportionality, whereby we've had people extradited, for example, for the crime of stealing a bicycle, because under Polish law they're obliged to pursue every case with equal vigour. But isn't the issue of proportionality actually a complete red herring? Because the English legal system is completely different than the continental legal systems. And the biggest problem, my biggest fundamental objection to the European Arrest Warrant is that people can be extradited to a foreign country without any prima facie evidence being presented to an English court and being considered on its merits for extradition or not. And I fail to understand why it is okay to be extradited without any prima facie evidence on a very serious charge, but not okay to be extradited on a without any prima facie evidence on a very minor charge, because if you're being extradited, the effect is the same thing. So isn't the proportionality issue actually totally irrelevant? The question would be, is there sufficient evidence, and has the home country had the opportunity to consider that evidence, which under a European arrest warrant it does not?
The arrest warrant question.
The arrest, it is obvious that we as lawyers, as prosecutors, in relation to the work which is given to us, are constantly verifying the rule of law and in what extent things are done properly. But a lot of these European arrest warrants are not coming in our radar because there are no requests sent to Eurojust. And it speaks for itself that European arrest warrants must only be used in real high criminal cases of importance, organised crime and terrorism cases, and those cases where you only can have the best way forward through the European arrest warrant and not in minor cases. That speaks for itself.
Thank you, Mrs. Coninsx.